Number 8, we have 3x squared minus 10 is f of x. I'm going to replace that with y. So y equals 3x squared minus 10. And we want to find the inverse. And this time it's saying where the domain where x is greater than 0. So this time we have some domain restrictions. But let's start with just finding the inverse. So remember, switch x and y. So x equals 3y squared minus 10. Let's solve for y. That's the next step. So my first step, I'm going to add the 10 over. So x plus 10 equals 3y squared. And then we need to get rid of this 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So x plus 10 divided by 3 equals y squared. And we need just y by itself, remember? Not y squared. So what's the opposite of a square? A square root. So the square and the square root are opposite, and our inverse is this, the square root of x plus 10 over 3. And I don't know if you remember this, but square root functions cannot have a negative value. So that's where the domain comes in. We're saying x has to be a positive value because remember what happens if I have a square root with a negative number? It's undefined. So it's saying in order to keep our function defined, real numbers, we're going to keep our x values positive. That's what this means. Okay, so we have square root of x plus 10 over 3. X plus 10 divided by 3. And notice I had to add parentheses to keep my numerator together. Okay, so make sure it matches here, whatever you have written down.